I am tired of yard work, so I have decided to do demo today. I can't do the ceiling because I've had shoulder surgery on both shoulders, so I can't work over my head. This wall is pretty bad in here and can't be salvaged, so there's no need to be careful. So I don't need to waste Robert Sky's time doing something I can do myself. Unfortunately, the find of the day occurred when I took the plywood off this window so I could throw the trash out. And this is window trim, and you can see it's actually holding these bricks. Oh dear. These bricks in place. They're loose and falling out. There's just nothing left of the mortar. So I gotta be careful walking under it. I don't want this thing collapsing. You can see it's got a through crack going all the way up. So this is unstable. So I may be scrounging lumber out of the scrap pile and building some kind of support to hold this up. Not good, not good. But not surprising either. My first attempt at installing a frame to support the bricks did not start out well. In fact, I broke a blood vessel in my hand. It swelled up and I couldn't use it for a couple of weeks. Par for the course. In future videos, we'll be digging deeper into all the problems just in this tiny round porch.